partnership and whanaungatanga. How do I build effective partnerships with my whānau as a Reo Māori teacher at this school? To me, partnerships are the platform upon which effective teaching and learning can take place in my classroom. We can't sort of start the conversation about our goals, about our tikanga, about our kawa in the Te Reo Māori learning classroom without our whānau on board. So for me, our whānau are an integral part of what it means to be an effective Te Reo Māori teacher in my classroom, because it allows it provides our students with that sense of responsibility, that sense of comfort, and the sense of knowing that that there is that sort of understanding and that expectation that comes from having your whānau kind of knowing exactly what you're doing. So with a partnership and a partnership with the whānau, the students also know that there's an expectation that is the same between the teacher and our whānau. So I know exactly what our whānau expect from our students, and also I know what the whānau expect of me as well.